How you guys doing? Thanks for coming to my channel. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your girl is finally in Colombia, as you guys can see from the last video. And this is basically just a quick apartment tour on how it looks. I'm turning y'all around. So this is the living room area. You got the table and chair, the couch. I'm glad they got this covered up so you don't mess with the couch. It has a balcony, so you're able to see like the street view.
And the buildings in the background.
Here's the table and TV stand and TV. And this has 2 bedrooms. So here's one of the bedrooms here. Plus the dresser.
And laundry. And
then here's another bedroom right here. And it has the same thing. The stand-up dresser. Then off of that you have the bathroom. So here's the toilet. Let me turn the light for you. Here's the shower, the sink, and the toilet. And then right from off of there is the kitchen area. And this is how the kitchen looking. It already came with pots and pans and everything. So let me show you. Like everything already came in here. And it came with a what's that thing called? An air fryer. So you gotta see. So most you already know this is an Airbnb, so it's already gonna be fully stocked. What's in here? Cause I never looked. Oh, blender. Oh. Here's our refrigerator. So we already got some food not too long ago. The freezer. And it has a washer, which that was like a mandatory for me to have a washer. So it has a washer. This is like a washing station right here. The sink, and you'll hang up your clothes up here using these hangers and a stick. And this is how it looks. I got the trash bag because I didn't know what was trash. So they told me trash is like actually Mondays and Thursdays. And again, this place, let me show y'all outside real quick. This place was under $500 a month, and I like that because I'm trying to stick under a certain budget. But this is how it looks from the street view. Oh yeah, let me show y'all one more time. I was gonna say something. So at the light, if you can see, like there's a light over there. At the light is a playground right across the street from there, and then there's a grocery store like by these cars. Like 10 minutes from like the downtown area. So me and Ayla walked there yesterday because we was looking for like a bigger grocery store. And we went there yesterday, got a bunch of like stores and restaurants. So I like it so far. I just need to find Ayla at school. Like once I find her at school, then I can settle and I can do what I'm trying to do. Because I really can't do what I'm trying to do with her like here in the house all day every day. So that's really it. So I hope you guys like this video. It's really quick, and